Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Lovely to have you here and I hope you will stick around. Today I'm gonna have another update for my mission 100% cruelty free, which was started by Sarah, who I will link down below. Oh, there's a hair in my eye. And also I'm gonna link our playlist below. There's a lot of people who participate in this project and it's either here on YouTube or you can search the hashtag mission 100 cruelty free, I think, and you will find people on Instagram as well. Again, every info will be left in the box below because I'm useless with information, clearly. And basically the whole point of this project is that you will use all the products in your collection that are not cruelty free, so you can become, as the title suggests, 100% cruelty free. And I've been doing this since it started, and I still have quite a lot of products, mainly because there are so many brands nowadays, like, you know, Wet n Wild and Physicians Formula and, I don't know, Morphe, who are not cruelty free anymore, and Inglot. All these brands, so every time I use something up and get it out of my collection, there's a new brand on the scene, so yay for that. Different people do this project differently, so I think a lot of people can rejig their product if they use up 5, I'm not too sure. With me, I do it in a way that if it's a powder product, if I hit pen I can decide if I want to finish it up or use it up all the way, and if it's a cream product like a lip gloss or something like that, then I have to use it till it's gone. That's how I've been doing it. I'm not sure why I was getting ready for this whole speech. No, that's it. So now that we have all the basics done, let's move on to the products. So this month's update will be fairly short because guess what? This girl didn't do too well the past 2 months. So my last update went up on the 3rd of March, I think. I will link it in the corner if you want to check it out. But yeah, I mean I didn't do too bad, but yeah. Let me know later on. You can tell me yourself what do you think how I did. Let's start with the only powder product that I have. And it's the Benefit Bella Bumba Blush. And last time I had a pen on it, and I told you that this was already repressed once, but last time I did a really bad job at repressing it, so it was not really working. So this time around I decided to repress it again. So I will have a picture up of how it looked like after it repressed, and I can show you a picture of how it looks now, but let me tell you now, it doesn't look any different. I don't know why. For some reason, I think it's because my last update, as I said, was the beginning of March, and then the middle of March, the whole coronavirus situation escalated really quickly. And then, you know, makeup was not the top of my priority, and then this got in the back of my drawer and I forgot. So, yeah, this is what I'm wearing today though. By the way, if you like how my makeup looks today, then Friday's video, so yesterday's video, is basically how I did this, or mostly my eyes. But if you'll find every other info in the description box of that video as well. So if you want to check it out, I used the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette. So again, I will link it in the corner and then you can check it out for yourself. But yeah, I used this today and I love it. It just gives a really subtle pink look. It gives a bit of a glow as well. I do love it, but I sort of forgot it. So we'll just put it on the side and hope that next month I will do a lot better. Then a product that's been here since the beginning is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And with this one, you can definitely see through the sides of this. And it's really hard to get any product out of this at this point. So I think in another 2 months' time, there will be nothing left of this. But yeah, it's a bit hard to measure because I don't like to weigh my products. But you can even visually see that compared to last time, there's barely any product left in there. So I would be surprised if this would be still hanging about by the next time. Another product that's been here since the beginning as well is my Borgia Effect 3D Waterproof Lip Gloss. And this is something that I'm wearing on my lips at the moment as well, just over a really bright link. This is what I'm wearing at the moment as well, just on top of a really bright pink lip pencil from Sigma. And it just makes it a little bit deeper and obviously a bit more glossy, which is quite nice. And again, with this one, all you can see is that you can now see through the packaging. And I mean, this one I think can still get a decent amount of product out, so it's not gonna be, I think, that long till it's gone, but that's what I say every time, and we're still here, so you know, I feel like I'm in the long ride with this one because it just doesn't seem to go. And then two products that you can actually see visible progress on, thank goodness. The first one is the MAC lip liner in the shade Spice, and this is a teeny tiny nub I have left, and you can see it on the progress paper as well that I have quite a nice substantial use on this. I think it's because I took this with me to work as well, so I can just retouch my lip throughout the day, and yeah, it was perfect for that. It works with so many nude lip colors. It's really nice, and I told you in the past as well that if MAC would be cruelty free, I would keep purchasing their lip liners because they are so good. But yeah, till then I will just enjoy it, and then after this I will dearly miss it. But you know, there are loads of lovely cruelty free brands out there who do killer lip liners as well. It's just not quite the same formula, but I'm more than happy with those. And then last product is this really battered looking Clinique lipstick, and it got to the point where I opened it and then this little like silver bit came off, so you can only see like the plastic under it. And yeah, look, it's just the plastic and these keeps coming off. But you know, it still works, lipstick still comes out, and with this one I feel like it's quite a steady progress. And you know, that's fine. There's barely anything left in there, so I should just commit to it and be done with it. And I can tell you that once I get to the point where this is flat, I'm not gonna worry about getting it out, because while it's a nice product, it's not, you know, it's okay, but it's not something I can't easily get from my kit, you know, the rest of my collection. So it's fine. You can tell it's getting really old because the packaging, oh, it's looking rough, it's falling apart. But again, I did quite a nice, look at that. But again, I had quite a nice progress on this, so I'm happy with that. I feel like the last two products are the ones that I had quite nice progress with, and again, I did a really good progress with concealer as well. And well, the lip gloss was okay, but those are a bit harder to measure, whereas with the last two you can actually see how far I've come. And I think I'm gonna stop there, because what's the point of making this video long if it doesn't need to be? So that's it for now. Let me know how you're doing, if you keep going with this project as well. And that's the other thing I actually wanted to mention, that I have so many other projects going on at the moment that I don't know if I want to carry on with this one. So I will see. I will have at least one more update in 2 months time again, and then I can reevaluate and see where I am, because I don't know. But what I want to do, I just want to pause it, and then I can keep on going maybe next year again. I will see, but I'm not sure I want to carry on with this project because I have so many other ones, so I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you could join this little community that we have here. And I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day, and bye bye.